This might be the fastest beef stir-fry you'll ever make. First, look at the grain of the beef. Slice against the grain to keep it tender. Season with a pinch of baking soda, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chili powder. Mix for 1 minute. Spray half a tablespoon of oil to lock in moisture. Marinate for 5 minutes. Remove the tough core from the cabbage. Tear it into bite-sized pieces, similar to the beef. Prepare some dried chilies and sliced garlic. Heat a pan over high heat and add oil. Start with garlic and chilies. Cook until fragrant. Add the beef. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Then remove. Leave some oil in the pan over medium-high heat. Add the cabbage. Cook until it turns bright green and soft. Return the beef to the pan. Turn the heat to high. If needed, add a little salt at this stage. Don't add it earlier, both beef and cabbage release water. Stir fry everything together for 1 more minute. And it's done. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe for more simple recipes. See you in the next one.